Here are some tips on when to replace cartridges and filters on your reusable respirator. For reusable respirators, a change schedule is necessary to determine how long cartridges can be used for. If the cartridge has a pre-filter, be sure to replace the filter if it becomes dirty, damaged, or difficult to breathe through. A change schedule for chemical cartridges is based on a variety of factors, including the type of cartridge, the concentration of the airborne contaminants, how intense the work rate is, and the temperature and humidity. You can calculate the service life of your 3M cartridges based on these factors at 3m.com/servicelife. However, if at any time you detect a smell, taste, or irritation from the contaminants, leave the contaminated area immediately and replace the cartridges. Also, if the respirator becomes difficult to breathe through, damaged, or the filter is caked with debris, immediately go to a non-contaminated area and replace the cartridge or filters.